What is boring machining? How does boring machining work? This video will introduce to you. Boring machining is a precise process that enlarges and refines pre-existing holes using a boring bar to improve dimensional accuracy, surface finish, and concentricity, unlike drilling, which creates new holes. Boring machining is the process of inserting a cutting tool into an existing hole and then removing material to obtain the required dimensions and surface quality. Usually, casting or drilling is done before the hole is created, depending on the machine type blade, milling machine, or dedicated boring mill. The operation is carried out by rotating the workpiece or the cutting tool. What types of boring machining are there? Mainly includes horizontal boring, precision boring, and CNC boring. Horizontal boring is ideal for heavy workpieces, such as those used in steel mills and shipbuilding, with the boring bar moving horizontally. Vertical boring suits large diameter holes in vertically positioned parts, like engine blocks and turbine casings. Precision boring, often used in scientific instrumentation, aerospace, and defense, precision boring uses specialized machinery to achieve incredibly tight tolerances. CNC boring, a highly efficient and repeatable automated process that is crucial for complex geometries and mass production. Boring machining is mainly applied in these fields: automobile, crankcases and engine cylinders, aerospace, landing gear parts, turbine housings, construction, segments of concrete with large holes. Medical devices include parts for implants and surgical tools, oil and gas, pump housings and valve bodies. Supported materials: copper, titanium, brass, stainless steel, aluminum, steel, cast iron, and plastics. Boring machining has significant advantages in achieving excellent surface finish and precise hole machining. It is a common precision processing method in various types of CNC equipment, such as CNC lathes, milling machines, and gantry machines. WMT CNC offers a variety of machining equipment and solutions for you to choose from. If you are currently in need of boring machining,